Hello and welcome to this demonstration walkthrough of Merathi people. I am Sohini Ghosh, and I am one of the co-founders of Thrive Together, which is a company which has created Meraki People. Meraki People is a generative AI-enabled sales automation tool which helps sales folks to generate leads, to prepare for calls, and to analyze calls, amongst other things. We will quickly start with the admin portal, which is where the system stores the company context uh, for the leads which are generated or the calls which are analyzed. So let's get started. This is the admin portal and the login screen of the admin portal. So the company that we were showing right now as a demo company is our own company, which is Thrive Together, and Meraki People. So this is Thrive Together, which is our own company. This is our website, and this these are our products and services, and there's a whole level of product profile intelligence which is that we've created over chats while we are onboarding the company, the geographical information, decision making intelligence, so on and so forth. So this is the entire company intelligence which is stored within Meraki people. uh, Here are some examples of roles and responsibilities of the people who can actually use Meraki people, whether it is a digital marketing specialist, content marketer, account executive, sales development executive. So these are some of the roles which can actually benefit from Meraki people in the employee portal, which we are going to show you. Uh, and this is the knowledge base. So knowledge base is essentially company information which the web doesn't know about you, right? Which is something that you have to upload in the form of um, multiple documents, right? So here we've put our product catalog, our objection handling, our sales playbook, our pricing, so on and so forth, which you can actually upload. The more documents you upload, the better is the context for your company, and the better calls will be prepared for you, and the better leads will be generated for you. So when you can upload documents and under these headings like playbooks, product catalog, objection handling, case studies, pricing, and training, right? So you select a particular select particular category and then upload the document. It automatically takes into account that this is the kind of document that you have uploaded and sets it into the context, right? And then you can onboard employees in the admin setup. You onboard the employees. You can add it in bulk or singly. So these are some of the employees that we have onboarded. And once you onboard the employee, obviously they will get an email with the login credentials and the link to Meraki People Employee Portal. And this is where we're going to go next. So this is the employee portal of one of the marketing executives in our company who's responsible for generating leads, right? So this is his dashboard. And so he has access to Meraki People has two modules, right? It works under two modules. One is to generate leads, which is lead generation, and the other is preparing for calls or analyzing calls or handling objections, which is the call compass. Okay. Now, because this person is a marketing executive, his main job is to generate leads. So we will look at the lead generation module in this demonstration. So the marketing executive would click on lead generation, and the whole conversational interface kind of begins in this manner, right? So we've kind of designed the whole system into making sure that all the processes which are happening behind, to give a bit of transparency, not a bit, actually a whole lot of transparency, we have we have very contextual conversations with the employee, right? So now the system is asking that under Thrive Together, you have many products, right? Which product do you want to hunt leads for, right? So then in that case, I'm going to say I'm going to hunt leads for a product that I have, which is called AI Assessment Evaluator. So I'm going to say I want to um, create a target profile for AI Assessment Evaluator for the product, right? Now, what is a target profile? Target profile is nothing but a profile of the kind of leads that you wish to look for. If the profile is good, then the leads uh, should come as good quality leads. So, like you can see, it is taking into context all the information that it has, and it has generated a sales target profile for the product that we have, which is the AI assessment evaluator. So, obviously, it's going to be for education, for industries, edtech, corporate training, and professional development. Um, Now, I'm going to say in the target profile, change the geographical focus from North America and Europe to India, tier 2 cities. And it is now changed from North America, Europe to tier 2 cities. The rest of it looks fine for me because these are the key features. I can validate that. And these are the value propositions and these are the use cases. So this is all okay. So now I'm going to say um, it is, of course, initializing a lead discovery system. Now, I must tell you all that the AI engine, which is powering behind the scenes for all this activity, the slurry of activity that you're seeing, is has is orchestrated by an MCP. And what it does is that we have enabled a lot of different models that is running all of this. And what MCP does, it evaluates the intent of the query that is written by the user, and then decides which model or which LLM is the best suited to handle this query. So, for example, to hunt leads, we use it uses Perplexity Deep Research because that is the best available to do deep research in the around the web to get the leads, which is contextualized for the which is absolute fits the best for this particular company, which is Strive Together. So, what is happening? And the leads are generated. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leads with their matching percentages as well. And these are supposed to be matching the target profile, right, for the product that we have, which is the AI assessment evaluator. And here it is. It explicitly mentions what is the product fit score assessment evaluation. Right now, they do not have a fully automated grading system, which presents us an opportunity. Uh, this is a learning experience platform. Decreed is a learning experience platform, which is the best place to actually get the AI assessment evaluator in place, and so on and so forth. So these are the competitive advantages and detailed analysis, if you want to see, is also given, which is the industry match, the product fit match, the company size, and what are the growth indicators. That this is actually a 6 on 15 growth indicator because there is funding and then there's growth. So it is taken into account all of those, right? Similarly, there are leads called Multiverse, Prakrita AI, Talent LMS, and Pathful, which is, if it is less than 52, of course, the color coding is different, so on and so forth. So this is how a lead is is basically generated on Meraki people. Now, what it's interesting to note is that after we've created the leads, it just doesn't vanish. Of course, these are very very precious leads. Any company would know that, right? So I can go back and go to the section called History and Artifacts, and all the target profiles, all the artifacts which I've created. So all the target profiles that I have generated so far is stored over here. And you can use any of these target profiles and then hunt leads from here all over again, and so on and so forth. All the leads are also recorded here. So right now we saw these leads getting generated, right? So all these leads are recorded over here. You click on them, you can prepare for call, you can do a post call analysis, you can edit the fields, so on and so forth, right? Um, and this is all that I had to tell you about the lead generation module of Meraki People. Thank you.